Hello again to Educator.com lessons on HTML 5.0. Today we're going to go into the body section of HTML coding and talk about specifically the easiest part to understand, and that is text styling. And we'll go over the overview for this lesson. Obviously, the most important thing about text is the font tag, okay? And of course, whenever you see the font tag, the browser knows, well, there's verbiage involved. And the font tag has two important attributes that we're going to go over today. The first being the color attribute, and there's obviously several different types of ways of determining color. We'll go over to that, especially determining the hexadecimal value of a color. Now, the reason why we want to go over hexadecimal value is because, well, sometimes we want to have different shades of colors. Like not all text can be black, and not all images are red, or backgrounds are yellow, okay? That's pretty easy. Sometimes we want to have shades of blue, shades of green, shades of gray, okay? The next attribute after color we'll go over is the face, and that tells the browser what font to use to be expressed in the browser. And then finally, the last, certainly not least, is the size attribute. So let's go ahead and start with the body section and what the font tag is all about. And as you can see, here's our snowman, or figure eight, whatever you want to call it. But in the previous section, we discussed the header section. Now we're going into the body section. Basically, again, as I repeat myself, the font tag tells the browser that text is going to be used. So pretty obvious, pretty self-explanatory.